Do you know that you can inflate a balloon without actually blowing into it yourself? Baking soda is a base, while vinegar is an acid, which do not get along when mixed together. Likewise, the water in the vinegar plays an important part in allowing the baking soda, the base, to take a proton from the vinegar, the acid. As this reaction takes place, carbon dioxide is released by the baking soda into the bottle, which eventually fills the balloon up. Hope you enjoyed these NIHERST Sci-Facts. Join us again soon.